Hey guys, welcome back. So in today's video, I will be showing you how I created this manicure using dip powders. So here are the powders that I will be using today, and these are from the brand Revel nail. And here are the close-up look of the powders. So the first one is in the shade Enchanted. And here is the shade Alert. And for the liquids, I will be using again from Revel nail, and this is the Pro Base as well as the Activator. And for my top coat, I will be using my Blue Sky No Wipe top coat. So to start off, I will be applying nail dehydrator to all of my nails. This will just remove the natural oil on my nails. So then next, I move on to my Pro Base and apply a thin layer of this on my nail, and then immediately dip my nail into the powder and tap off the excess. So for my pointy, pinky, and thumb, I will be using the shade Alert. So I'll let you guys watch me do 3 coats of this shade and I'll be back. And I also want to mention, make sure that you brush up the excess powder before you move on to your next layer. It's very important, otherwise your nails will gonna look really thick and bumpy. So make sure you brush off the excess before you do the second layer or the third layer. So once I'm finished with the third coat of Alert, again I brush up all the excess powder, and then I move on to the shade Enchanted, and I will be applying this on my middle and ring nail. So again, I apply a thin layer of the base on my nail and then immediately dip my nail into the powder and tap off the excess. So then once I'm finished with the third coat of Enchanted, I brush off all the excess powder and move on to my clear powder to encapsulate the color and the glitter. So again, I apply a thin layer of the Pro Base and then immediately dip my nail into the clear powder and tap off the excess. This step is optional, but I highly recommend you clear encapsulate your nails just because it will protect your colors and your glitters from filing and buffing. So then once I'm finished with the clear, I brush up all the excess powder and move on to the Activator. So I apply a generous amount of the Activator to all of my nails. This will harden the powders and make it ready for filing. So then after a few minutes, I file and buff off camera, and then I brush off all the dust and clean my nails with alcohol spray. And then next, I move on to my Blue Sky No Wipe top coat, and then apply 2 coats of this on my nails and cure it for 30 seconds. This step is optional. You can always use your dip powder top coat if you want to. And then once my nails are cured, I apply cuticle oil to rehydrate my nails, and we are done. That's it guys for today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you on my next one.